Why people need IT support.
In today's fast-pacing digital world, IT support has become a necessity for businesses and individuals alike. Technology is the backbone of almost every operation, from managing data to ensuring seamless communication. However, maintaining a robust IT infrastructure can be challenging without professional support. Here's why IT support is essential. Minimizing downtime. Issues can disrupt operations and result in costly downtime. Professional IT support ensures quick resolutions to technical problems, keeping your business running smoothly. Enhanced cybersecurity. With increasing cyber threats, safeguarding sensitive data is crucial. IT support provides advanced security measures, regular updates, and monitoring to protect your systems. Improved system efficiency. Regular maintenance and optimization of IT systems ensure peak performance, helping businesses operate more efficiently. Scalability and growth. As businesses grow, so do their IT needs. IT support helps you scale your technology infrastructure seamlessly to accommodate expansion. 24/7 assistance. Whether it's a server failure or a network outage, IT support teams are available around the clock to address critical issues promptly.
Its support is not just about fixing problems, it's about proactively preventing them, ensuring reliability, and empowering businesses to focus on their core goals. At NHV Tech Solution, we understand the critical role of technology in driving business success. As a leading IT solution provider, we specialize in delivering tailored IT support and services that align with your specific needs. Our expertise includes comprehensive IT support. We offer end-to-end support for software, hardware, and network systems to keep your operations running smoothly. Cybersecurity solutions. Protect your business from cyber threats with our advanced security measures and proactive monitoring. Website and software services. From website design to ERP and hospital management software, we deliver innovative solutions to streamline operations. 24/7 customer support. Our dedicated team is always ready to assist, ensuring minimal disruptions to your business. Custom IT solutions. Whether you need domain registration, VPS hosting, or access control systems, we provide scalable and efficient solutions to match your requirements.
At NHV Tech Solution, our mission is to transform your ideas into reality by enhancing your digital presence, improving efficiency, and safeguarding your business. Let us handle your IT needs so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. For more information, visit us at nhvtech.com or contact us at admin@nhvtech.com or call us +881 772 306 9770.